Hey guys, Chris here with Good Land Travel Agency. We are at Margaritaville Island Reserve in Cap Cana. We're going to be taking you to the Honeymoon Oceanfront Suite. Let's take a look. All right guys, thanks for viewing our content on Margaritaville Island Reserve here in Cap Cana. Again, I'm Chris with Good Land Travel Agency. We are your all-inclusive experts here in Punta Cana. Give us a call. We'd be happy to book your group, your wedding, maybe a honeymoon, anniversary trip, any occasion. Give us a call. We'll set you guys up. Expert knowledge. We know all the resorts we send our guests to. We'll take good care of you. All right guys, coming in, this is a king bed configuration room. You can see you've got a little speaker over there, which is really great feature. Flip-flops, towels. This room breathes Jimmy Buffett style. You guys will have a great time in here. One of the other things we'd like to point out in this room is the espresso. You have your own espresso maker here. Great for enjoying a cup of morning espresso out on your balcony, enjoying your oceanfront views. One other thing we'd like to point out is the mini fridge here. So they've stocked it here with a couple bottles of water. However, they do things a little bit different here, which is a very unique feature of this property. When you check in, you'll be awarded so many points based on your length of stay, room category, and you can use those points to customize your mini bar any way that you'd like. Since this is the Honeymoon Oceanfront Suite, you'll have a nice separate living space here, your own sectional couch, little table here, couple chairs, and then your amazing oceanfront balcony. And moving along to the spa bathroom. Now again, this is the Honeymoon Suite, so we have an oversized jacuzzi tub for two, double rain shower heads. I kind of like what they did here. It free flows from the tub into the shower. We've got your double sinks and your amenities here from Margaritaville. And we have a separate room for the toilet here. One of the best features about this room is the oceanfront view. Let's go take a look. All right guys, we are here at the Honeymoon Suite balcony. You've got some fantastic oceanfront views and some nice seating out here. My wife and I love to come out here in the mornings and have our morning espresso. This is a great spot that you can just kick back, chill, relax, and enjoy amazing oceanfront views. Chris here, the owner of Good Land Travel Agency. Thanks so much for viewing our content. We offer personalized service and expert knowledge. Contact us to book your next vacation and check us out at goodlandtravelagency.com.